In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Calendly. This simple process will help streamline your scheduling and ensure that your appointments fit seamlessly into your existing routines. So let's dive right into it and get you all set up. Firstly, open your web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address. After typing in your email, click continue. Subsequently, you'll need to enter your password and hit continue again to access your account. With that done, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Now direct your attention to the availability section, which is crucial for our task today. Clicking on availability will present you with the default settings where you can choose to view your schedule by either list or calendar format, depending on your preference. For those opting for the calendar default, you'll see boxes representing different dates. Simply click on a box to select it, and then click on Edit Date. This will allow you to choose specific dates that you want to adjust. Once you've selected your desired date, look for the plus icon to add available times to that particular day. Remember to click apply after setting your times to ensure your changes are saved. If you prefer the list default, you're in for a slightly different path. Here, adding or removing time is as simple as clicking the plus or the X icons, respectively. Alternatively, if you need to apply specific hours for certain dates, click on Date Specific Hours. Next, select the day, set the time, and don't forget to click apply to lock in your availability settings. Another approach involves heading over to the event types section. Here you can click events and then once more navigate to availability. You'll see a pencil icon. Clicking it will let you introduce more granular edits to your available times. As always, apply your changes by utilizing the plus icon for adding times. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, hitting apply will ensure those settings are put into action for the event types you've prepared. Finally, when you're satisfied with your availability, make sure to save all changes. This ensures that your availability settings are up to date, making it easier for clients and colleagues to book appointments with you without any hassle. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough to establishing your availability in Calendly. With these steps, managing your schedule should be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to check out other guides for more helpful tips.